Hello, and welcome to the Complete Spelling Program Information videos. Copyright 2012, the ReadWriteCompany Limited. Hi, I'm Adam. I'm going to explain to you how you can more fully use the Complete Spelling Program Stage 2. Stage 2 caters for ages 6 to 7 and is part of 6 stages covering primary education. The Stage 2 program consists of 6 workbooks and a teacher's manual. The teacher's manual contains weekly word lists, teacher's notes, and also curriculum word banks from which words can be selected to extend the more able students. The workbooks contain a range of activities for each week which support the spelling lists. These workbooks are differentiated in difficulty. From stages 2 to 4, the A workbooks are for children who find spelling more difficult, and the B workbooks are for the rest of the class. The activities in each workbook are explained in the teacher's notes at the back of the workbooks. The Complete Spelling Program Stage 2 runs for 32 weeks. For convenience, there were 3 activity workbooks containing weeks 1 to 11, 12 to 22, and 23 to 32 respectively. Now, let us look in detail at the structure of each week. For an example, let us look at the A workbooks, which are intended for children who find spelling more difficult. Throughout the program, each week contains multiple worksheets denoted by the week number on the left and suggested completion order on the right. For example, here we have selected week 4 of the A workbooks. This contains worksheets 4.1, 4.2, 0.3, 0.4 and an optional revision sheet given the label .R. It is suggested that worksheets 0.1 are completed on Monday, 0.2 on Tuesday, 0.3 on Wednesday, etc. The Stage 2 Teacher's Manual contains information on how to implement the program, as well as spelling lists for each week, a curriculum word bank, and parental notes. The weekly spelling lists are presented for the average group, and the teaching notes for each list contain dictation sentences and further teaching points. Box 1 and List A are taught on Monday and are used in the 4.1 worksheet. Box 2 and List B are taught on Tuesday and are used in the 4.2 worksheet. Box 3 and List C are taught on Wednesday and are used in the 4.3 worksheet. Revision of boxes 1 to 3 and lists A to C are taught on Thursday and are used in the 4.4 worksheet. The spelling lists given are aimed at the average group. The lists can be differentiated for below average and above average spellers. For the below average group, any rhyme words in the boxes which contain initial blends, digraphs, or clusters can be removed, as can the second row of frequency words. For the above average group, an extra line of curriculum words should be added. There are optional extension words suggested in the teacher's notes, but ideally words related to the curriculum should be selected from the curriculum word bank at the back of the teacher's manual. Now, to look at the activities in more detail. There is a closed procedure activity for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday each week. If there are any children in the class with very poor reading skills, they should complete the closed procedure alongside the class discussion and use the target spelling words as a clue to the meaning of the sentence. The next activity requires children to copy out the correct sentence from the above. If any of these children have poor motor skills and find writing difficult, they can write the target word only. Children who are learning the rhymes from memory but find it difficult to think of ideas of their own should attempt to write their own sentences for each picture using the picture as a stimulus for ideas, but remembering to include the target spelling word in their sentence. This provides levels of differentiation for this activity. The high frequency words for children following the core program, this is explained in the teacher's manual, have been included because they are frequently used in writing. At the bottom of the page, children in this group are asked to write a sentence for that day's high frequency word. This group has only one high frequency word to learn each day. This worksheet is the same activity as the A book, but differentiated for children working on the first extension level. Here, They write sentences of their own for each of the rhyme words, and are encouraged to write sentences for the range of meanings for a particular word. Example, lap. The cat lapped up the milk. I ran a lap of the race. The water lapped against the shore. The pupils should attempt to spell all the words in these sentences themselves, words they have learned previously, and also words they have not yet learned to spell. If a pupil insists on help with any word, then this word should be written by the teacher at the bottom of the page. This allows the teacher to look back at previous work undertaken, knowing the extent of the help given. This in turn gives a more accurate assessment of the pupil's level of independence. Words that have not been taught are not corrected, but the errors allow the teacher to monitor the knowledge the child is applying in his attempts to spell unknown words. Words that have been taught and are misspelled are drawn to the attention of the child, and positive feedback given for the correct parts of the word, and guidance given on what needs to be corrected. At the bottom of the page, the high-frequency words are given. A third word should be added for the top group or groups. This word should be selected from the curriculum word banks at the back of the teacher's manual, and should be on a topic that the children are required to write about, so that the words they are being asked to spell are related to what they will write about in class. And now to the A workbooks. The Match and Write activity, found at the top of the activity sheet point 4, is designed to stimulate visual discrimination, drawing attention to the size, shape, position, and orientation of each letter. This is designed to ensure children look closely at the letters in the word they are attempting to learn. It ensures that visual details are noticed and cannot be bypassed. The next activity, in point 4, is continued from stage 1. This activity was designed because words in the speech stream flow continuously. Many children, when they begin to write, do not leave spaces between words. They write as they speak in one continuous flow. This can continue for some time with less able children. This activity is designed to draw attention to the need to leave spaces between words, and to encourage children to look closely at the sequence of letters in the words they are searching for. Children track from left to right, colouring in the word they are searching for. Some children who have great difficulty tracking should only be asked to track 1 or 2 words. Having the right total number of words is not critical, as the purpose of the exercise is simply to provide practice in tracing words. The activity at the bottom of this sheet is designed to encourage children to identify the initial phoneme in each word, and using this knowledge, read the whole word. They then match it to the correct picture, which shows whether they have read the word correctly. In the B workbook, worksheet point 4 contains the same match and write activity as the A books. Below this, there are a variety of different activities, such as filling in the missing letters, write the letter before, putting letters into alphabetical order, and putting words into alphabetical order. In this particular worksheet, the children are asked to write the letter before, and in the activity below this, they have to write the boxed letters in alphabetical order. This is an important task because children need to be able to look up dictionaries to find word meanings. The rhyme word activity at the bottom is similar to the A books, but children are required to recall the words from memory. Each week in the A workbooks contains a minimum of 4 worksheets, whereas in the B workbooks an extra worksheet, point 5, is also included. The worksheet contains a crossword activity designed to reinforce word meanings. This is followed by a range of activities using the doubling rule. See our strategy video for more details. The point R sheets are included every second week and are used to provide opportunities to revise the rhyme patterns. In the A books, children select the words from the cloud and write them in the correct list. At the bottom of the page, there is an activity related to this. The point R worksheets in the B workbook are similarly used, with the difference that the children have to write from memory all the rhyming words ending with the same visual pattern. At the bottom of this page, there is a similar activity. Thank you for watching this information video. Please see our other videos.